signal earlier.
Even our phones are blocked. If we can't teleport, Void Knight has the city to himself, along with any sporks he can find.
If one hatches, there will be no one to stop it.
We're miles from the city. Can't do a thing from out here.
We'll have to walk to Pine Ridge.
That'll take hours.
Then we better get going. Come on, guys. It's a long hike.
Hang on. You may have a better idea.
You realize boots don't need batteries? Mine officially blown.
No. With all this tech, I could build a gadget to take down the balloon.
For real?
Totally. I'm sure I can cobble something together. These batteries for my boots are a good power source. And there's also a
Swiss Army jacket and a whirling hammock?
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. Come on, guys. It's worth a shot.
I'm sorry, Ollie. We don't have time for you to invent something. Walking is a sure bet. Let's get moving.
Wait. I don't have any other shoes.
Seriously? So you can't walk back?
No. But how about I stay here and work on my device while you head for the city?
It's not like we have a choice.
Have fun with your Franken device. If it works.
Yeah, thanks. Hey. An arrow.
All right, J-Borg, here's a coin to throw.
Whoa.
Go. Okay, you dropped your coin in. Now say what you wish for.
All right. What you wish for?
No, you're supposed to. Oh, look, J-Borg. Oh. Ah, forget wishes. Call the hotline. No, 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 no.
There's no signal. Here, little Sporix. Whoa, look, there's one. I told ya, Sporix love cool, shady places. I know, I hatched from one. For you, your voidy nightness.
That's two already. Sporix hunting is a breeze with the Rangers out of town.
Hey, boss, those trees look shady. Should we search over there?
Well, obviously. Where do you think I'm going?
I wish we had another way to call the Rangers hotline.
Look, wishes do come true. Drat, it doesn't work either.
Oh,